Hi, I'm going to show you how to download the extension for Loom to make screen recording. So first, just go to your browser, you're in your internet, and I want you to type in Chrome Store, and it'll come up here, Chrome Web Store. Click on it. And then when you come up to the search bar, type in Loom, L-O-O-M, and hit enter. And it's going to pop up right here. It'll be one of the first things that you see here. I want you to click Add to Chrome. When you get this pop-up window, don't hit cancel, hit add extension. And you're going to see it pop up in this upper right-hand corner when it's added. And it'll give you a little virtual tour. And in the next video, you'll see how to use Loom in class. And from this point on, when you go to this little puzzle piece, you can get to it by going down to Loom. You might want to go ahead and pin it. And then it just shows up in the bar right here. See how I pinned it, the little Loom symbol? I can click on it and start.